How to sign up Juno. So if you want to sign up to your Juno account, then first of all you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Juno, and after searching, here on the first search you will have this sign up option. Simply click on that, and here if you want to create your account, then what you have to do is you can simply enter your email address on the first blank, and on the next blank you have to create a password. But if you have already created your account, then you can simply go for already a member, which says sign in, and then you can click on that sign in. But if you are new to this and if you want to create an account, then you can either sign up with your Google account or you can enter your email address. So I'll be choosing my email address, and after that you have to create a password. And after creating your password, now you can simply click on sign up. So it says that Juno is not supported in my region, but if it is allowed in your region, or if your region supports that, then you will create your account. So this is the process to create your account, and after that you will be ready to use your Juno account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.